Hey guys, we're gonna do something a little different today, or we're gonna do a quick little video. And we're gonna do a double bypass of the TaZer system from Automotive. I'm gonna put it in my Challenger. Went online and there's some confusing videos about the setup process. So we're just gonna do it and hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so the TaZer is right here. The bypass, double bypass is this right here. This will go in a fuse box. This would be a ground. And this would go in a box in the back of the trunk. And we'll go over that right now. Okay, so for this part, in the back of your trunk right behind your seat, you have these two right here. The blue one, there's no colors here, so the best way is blue and white. You got your blue and white side, you got your green, So just put it into an empty slot. Okay, make sure their connections are good. Okay, so the next part we're gonna do is we're gonna do the fuse. Well, if you open up your box, we want to put it in the radio one. Second 20 amp fuse is our radio fuse. That's where we're gonna put it. Okay, now take that fuse you just took out. Sorry, my fingers are in the way. And put it in this. And then this is gonna go right back where you had that. $20 amp fuse, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna take this off. It is a 10mm. But we're not gonna take it off. Then we're gonna take this part, the ground, and we're gonna put that in there. Okay, now let's put that tight again. There you go. Okay, so from the trunk view, the first one we did was in that box under there. Second was here. Third, and the last part is just setting these up. So let me set you somewhere. So these are this is the two ends. This is the Automotive. This is a bypass. So all we're gonna do, put them together. I have some Velcro there. So that, and there. Okay, so that's how to put in a Z Automotive, and then I'll just check and make sure that it all works.